Oh, there's another cheap piece of crap. Okay, so here's our piece of crap right there, condenser. And can you see the difference already? So you're missing the rubber, foam rubber to stop the hot air from rolling around and reheating your condenser. Aftermarket condenser, of course, doesn't have it. Do you see the number of tubes? Can you count them? This would be pretty obvious. Look at how many rows of tubes there are there and how much fewer there are here. So there's about 10 fewer tubes. I don't even need to count. You could see it so obvious if you actually count how many rows of coolant tubes there is here to here. They did a little better here. They got 21, 22 fins per inch here, and they have 18 fins per inch here. So again, you're getting cheated in your fin count, you're getting cheated in your refrigerant tube count, and you don't get that little piece of foam there is very important and should not be left off. And so yeah, and let's see who's distributing it and what company. So you got this piece of shit, and yeah, so that part number, you don't want that. All right, that's it.